Welcome back to what day is this? 23 of January Jail Jewelry Challenge. And I'm here again to remind you that if you have chains and padlocks, then you can recreate a double lock pair of cuffs and enter my giveaway, which is still active until the end of the month. Yeah. Wish I would have thought a little more about it and maybe position these in a way I could more easily access. This was flipped around, it'd be easier. Oh, there's one. Thank you. And now that I am doing this with 4 padlocks and I have excess chain, part of me wants to do it with 6. Is that crazy? Let me know. Come on, you. There we go. Whew. Oh, that was essentially one-handed pick. Gotta go lefty on this one. Oh, yeah. Whew. All right, and link will be in the description so that you can enter the giveaway if you like, and you can try and have some fun with chain and padlocks like I did. Everybody stay safe, have fun, goodbye.